Sleepy tow truck danger.
I woke up too early this morning. I really want to sleep. I'm so sleepy. Oh no! I fell asleep. I'm hurt! Help me!
Welcome to the TinkerBot Repair Center. Please go to the repair room for a check first. This warning light needs fixing. The tires need to be changed too. The fuel tank is leaking. All repairs are finished. Now let's start cleaning. Dirt level. Medium. Truck size medium. Dirt type mud. First, rinse with clean water. Add bubbly soap. Wash the bubbles away. Dry with the fan. Finally, wax and polish.
Thank you so much, TinkerBot.
Before going back to work, you should get enough rest. Always stay safe.
I'll go back and rest now. Goodbye, TinkerBot.
Goodbye. Have a safe trip.